In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription on Whop. Maybe you've tried a product, a community, or a tool on Whop and decided it's no longer for you, or you simply don't want to be billed again. Whatever the reason, the process to cancel is straightforward once you know where to look, and that's exactly what we're going to walk through together, step by step. First, open your browser and go to your Whop Home dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your Whop account using your usual details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main home feed. This is your central hub on Whop, where you can see the products and communities you're currently part of. Take a moment to make sure you're on the home dashboard and not somewhere else on the site, like a product page or the marketplace. Next, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a column with different sections. In that column, find the section labeled Joined. This is where all the Whop memberships and subscriptions you're currently a part of are listed. It's essentially your library of active access. From this joined list, identify the specific Whop you want to cancel your subscription for. This might be the name of a tool, a server, or a membership community. Click on that item to open its page. This step is important because you'll be managing the subscription for that particular product from inside its own area. Once you've clicked into the Whop you want to cancel, you'll be taken to a page showing details about that membership. Here, look for a button or link that says Leave. This is the control you'll use to stop your access and cancel the subscription tied to that Whop. Go ahead and click on Leave. In many cases, Whop may ask you to confirm that you really want to leave, since this will typically end your membership and stop future billing. If a confirmation pop-up appears, carefully read it so you understand that leaving will cancel your access, and then confirm your choice. After you've done this, your subscription for that particular Whop should be cancelled. If you'd like, you can go back to the Joined section on the left-hand column to double-check that it no longer appears in your active list. And that's all there is to it.